Have you ever wondered how to visualize your sensor data in real time? In this tutorial, we will walk you through setting up a real-time sensor dashboard using the IRIV MQTT protocol and Grafana. We will integrate the IRIV PiControl with Grafana, and we will using industrial RS485 temperature and humidity sensor. For this, you can buy this IRIV AgriBox kit at Citron product page here. I'll put the link in the description. Next, we are going to set up an MQTT broker. We will use Mosquito, a lightweight and efficient choice for handling our data stream. Now, we are going to program the IRIV to read sensor data and publish it to our MQTT broker. This script handles data acquisition and transmission. Install Grafana on your system. Once installed, we will configure it to visualize our incoming sensor data. Let's create a new dashboard in Grafana, adding panels to visualize temperature, humidity, and other sensor metrics in real time.
And that's it! You have built your own dashboard using IRIV and Grafana. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.